Sixth standard students, let us start from page number 231. 11.7 Expressions with variables. Recall that in arithmetic we have come across expressions like 2 into 10 plus 3. So 2 tens are 20. 20 plus 3, 23. We follow Bodmas rule. Bracket. So inside the bracket whatever operation is there, first we will do this and then add. Now see here, 3 into 10 plus 2 into 10 plus 4. So 2 into 10, 20. Then here multiplication 300. So 300 plus 20 plus 4, etc. These expressions are formed from numbers like 2, 3, 4, 10, 100 and so on. To form expressions we use all the 4 operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. For example, to form 2 into 20 plus 3. So 2 into 10 already I explained. Then we will add. So answer is 23. Now see here, 3 into 4 into 5, 4 5s are 20, 20 plus 3, 23, 7 2s are 14, 8 minus 14. In this way we 8 minus 7 into 2. So 8 minus 14. Whatever answer is there, you will write. 6 2s are 12. 12 minus 5, 7. 7 plus 8 into 2. So 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 7, 23. Now see here, minus 120 plus 5. Because inside the bracket multiplication is there. Now here 14 minus 5 minus 2 is 3. So 14 minus 3, 11. 7 5s are 35. 4 3s are 12. 35 minus 12, you will write the answer. 7 5s are 35. Then 3 4s are 12. 12 minus 7, 5. So 35 minus 5. You will write the answer. So you will solve these in rough notebook. Expressions can be formed from variables too. In fact, we already have seen expressions with variables. For example, 2n, 5m. The meaning of 2n is n multiplied by 2 or 2 multiplied by n. 5m, that means m multiplied by 5. X plus 10, 10 added to the x. 3 subtracted from x. Already we have solved 11.1 and 2. We have seen this thing, etc. These expressions with variables are obtained by operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on variables. For example, the expression 2n is formed by multiplying the variable n by 2. The expression x plus 10 is formed by adding 10 to the variable x and so on. We know that variables can take different values. Variables, that means unknown value. They have no fixed value, but they are numbers. That is why, as in the case of numbers, operations of addition, subtraction, multiplication and division can be done on them. One important point must be noted regarding the expressions obtaining variables. A number expression like 4 into 3 plus 5 can be immediately evaluated as 4 into 3 plus 5. That means first we solve the bracket, then out of the bracket we'll take whatever operation is there, we will take that operation. Okay? But an expression like 4x plus 5 which contains the variable x cannot be evaluated only if x is given some values. Only if x is given some value. An expression like 4x plus 5 can be evaluated. For example, if we know the value of x, suppose that x equal to 3, that means first we will multiply 4 by 3. 4 3s are 12 plus 5 17. Expression y plus 5. Phi added to y. How found? T minus 7, 7 subtracted from t. t में से 7 सब्ट्रैक्ट किए जाएं. 10a, a multiplied by 10, x divided by 3, q multiplied by minus 5. x multiplied by 3, then add 2, then add it to the product. First y multiplied by 2, then subtract 5 from the product. Write 10 other such simple expressions and tell how they have been formed. So you will do yourself this. We should also be able to write an expression through given instructions about how to form it. Look at the following example. Give expression for the following. Suppose that if we will hide this, okay. So for this, first we will cover. Okay. Now see here, 12 subtracted from z. From z, that means z minus 12. 12 we have to subtract from z. Z minus 12. 25 added to r plus 25. P multiplied by 16. That means 16p. Y divided by 8. That means y upon 8. M multiplied by minus 9. That means minus 9m. Y multiplied by 10. So 10y. And then 7 added to the product. So 10y plus 7. N multiplied by 2 and 1 subtracted from the product. So 2n and 1 subtracted. 2n minus 1. So we will check. Subtract 12 from z. 25 added to r. 16p. Y divided by 10. M multiplied by minus 9. Y multiplied by 10 and then 8, 7. Then n multiplied by 2 and then subtract. Now Sarita and Amina decide to play a game expressions. They take the variable x and the numbers 3 and see how many expressions they can make. The condition is that they should use not more than 1 out of the 4 number operations. That means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. And every expression must have x in it. Can you help them? Sarita thinks of x plus 3. Amina comes up with x minus 3. Here is 3x plus 5. Only they can take x and 3. So this is not allowed. Now here 2 operations are there, multiplication and addition. So it is also not allowed. Next, she suggests 3x. Sarita then immediately makes x upon 3. Are these the only 4 expressions that they can get under the given condition? We can take 3 minus x and 3 upon x also. Next, they try combinations of y, 3 and 5. The condition is that they should use not more than 1 operation of addition or subtraction and 1 operation of multiplication or division. Every expression must have y in it. Check if their answers are right. In the following exercise, we shall look at how few simple expressions have been formed. Okay. Y plus 5. Y should be there. Y plus 3, y minus 5, y minus 3, 3y, 5y, y upon 3, y upon 5. Now 3y plus 5. With multiplication, we can take addition. Here is written. The condition is that they should 1 operation of addition and with addition multiplication. 3y minus 5. So with multiplication, subtraction. Then 5y plus 3, 5y minus 3. Can you make some more expressions? So you will try. Now is y upon 3. So with the division, addition operation allowed. Is y plus 8 allowed? No. Y plus 3 plus 3. So we are taking addition operation 2 times, so it is not allowed. Is 15y allowed? No. Now exercise 11.3. Make up as many expressions with numbers, no variable. As you can from 3 numbers, 5, 7 and 8, every number should be used not more than once. Use only addition, subtraction, multiplication. 3 possible expressions are 5 plus 8 minus 5. That means from 3 numbers. As you can from 3 numbers, 5, 7, 8. Every number should be used not more than once. Okay. So 5 plus 8 minus 7, 5 minus 8 minus 7, 5 into 8 plus 7, 5 into 8 minus 7 also we can take. So in this way, you will form other expression. Now question number 2, which out of the following expressions with numbers only? In this, variable is there, here variable, here only numbers are there, numbers, variable, variable, variable. So expressions with numbers only, so numbers only, this, C and D. Now third question, identify the operations addition, subtraction, division, multiplication in forming the following expressions and tell how the expressions have been formed. Addition, subtractions, then multiplication, division, multiplication, then multiplication, addition, multiplication, subtraction, multiplication, addition, multiplication and subtraction. Now question number 4, to give expressions for the following cases. 7 added to P, that means P plus 7. 7 subtracted from P, that means P minus 7. P multiplied by 7, that means 7 into P, 7P. P divided by 7, that means P upon 7. 7 subtracted from minus M, that means minus M minus 7. Minus P multiplied by 5, that means 5 in the bracket minus P, so minus 5P. Minus P divided by 5, so minus P upon 5. Then P multiplied by minus 5, so minus 5 into P, that means minus 5P. Now give expressions in the following cases. 11 added to 2m, that means 2m plus 11. 11 subtracted from 2m, that means 2m minus 11. 5 times y, to which 3 is added, that means 5y plus 3. 5 times y from which 3 is subtracted, that means 5y minus 3. Y is multiplied by minus 8, that means minus 8 into y minus 8y. Y is multiplied by minus 8 and then 5 is added to the result. So minus 8y plus 5. Y is multiplied by 5 and the result is subtracted from 16. So y into 5. 5 into y, 5y. Then 16, from 16, that means 16 minus 5y. Y is multiplied by minus 5, so minus 5y, and the result is added to 16. So minus 5y plus 16. Now, form expressions using t and 4, use not more than one number operation. Every expression must have t in it. So t plus 4, t minus 4, t into 4, that means 4t, and t divided by 4. So if again, now you will take 4 first. So 4 plus t plus 4 both are equal. So t plus 4 we will take. Now 4 minus t we can take because t minus 4 and 4 minus t both are different thing. Then t into 4 or 4 into t, commutativity, both are equal. Now 4 upon t. So in this way you can form 6 expressions. Form expressions using y, 2 and 7. Every expression must have y in it. Use only 2 number operations. This should be different. So y plus 2, y plus 7, y minus 2, y minus 7. In this way you can form expressions. So here 11.3 is finished.